Signature design by Ashley Laflorn Chairside End Table Handsome chairside end table. This side table is perfect for the living room and keeping your devices charged thanks to the built-in 3-outlet power strip. Traditional look. End table crafted from veneers, wood and engineered wood. Features a lift-top storage compartment, drawer with twin cup holders, remote slot and lower storage cubby. Richly finished. Hand-applied medium brown finish with aged bronze tone hardware. Space-efficient design. Chairside end table measures 14 inches wide by 24 inches deep by 23 inches height. Assembly required. Easy to follow instructions. Hardware and tools included. All listed power cord included. Direct from the manufacturer. Ashley Furniture goes the extra mile to package, protect and deliver your purchase in a timely manner. Buy with confidence. Designed and manufactured by Ashley Furniture Industries, the trusted source for stylish furniture, lighting, rugs, accessories and mattresses. For every taste and budget, click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.